We now look at the challenges media faces from increasing pressure from the governing class in India. On Monday, former Rajya Sabha Member of Parliament and media baron Dr. Subhash Chandra held a presser on the challenges and responsibilities of press freedom in India. In a candid conversation, Dr. Chandra addressed the controversial instances of media suppression and the role of journalists in upholding democratic values.
मैं सर्वप्रथम डॉक्टर सुभाष चंद्रा जी को मंच पर आमंत्रित करना चाहूंगा. स्वागत कीजिएगा.
On Monday, the pioneer of India's private satellite television industry, Dr. Subhash Chandra, held a presser on the challenges and responsibilities of press freedom in India. In a candid conversation, Dr. Chandra addressed the controversial instances of media suppression and the role of journalists in upholding democratic values. Listen to the media baron talk about media.
सिस्टम से हारा हुआ आदमी हमारे पास आता है. कुछ साल पहले हमने we did an extensive exercise. I, together with my colleagues from the journalism, media and editors, we all went to the length and breadth of this country. And we met at least 7,000 families, people. And they all said that you guys, you only talk politics, you only show something which you want to show, but you don't talk about my problems. And since then we started in Zee News applying 6 methods or parameters of while giving a news. We trained our reporters, we did everything. For about a year, 2 years, we were even putting it on the screen that what lenses we have applied when we are giving you the news.
Dr. Chandra admitted to having halted an interview with Punjab's Chief Minister of the Aam Aadmi Party from being broadcast as an editorial decision.
Of course, I did not watch the interview personally, but my editor told me that there are some objectionable comments by the Honorable Chief Minister and should not and cannot go on air. They were of personal in nature, but he still showed partial interviews out of that. Business House.
While a part of the interview was run, cutting out the objectionable content, the Punjab government cut the funding to Zee News and stopped its broadcast in response to unfavorable coverage.
They pursued and started threatening that if you don't publish it, be ready to face the consequences. What consequences was the question in my mind also when I was told. Of course, they stopped the advertising from Punjab government, which was substantial. And second, third day, we came to know that the Punjab government put a very strong pressure on the local MSO of Punjab, who happens to be a monopoly in Punjab. They not only stopped Zee News, they pressurized that MSO to stop showing Zee Punjab Haryana, Zee Delhi NCR. So finally we got it cleared from the courts and the legal system. But we have fought it very strongly, clearly, and single-handedly. I can say that, unfortunately, the other news media people did not participate in this struggle. Tomorrow it could be somebody else, not Zee. But I still assure them, and all of you, through all of you, we will still stand by if something like that would happen with anybody else.
Dr. Chandra argued that had such suppression come from the central government, his reaction would have been equally firm.
Yes, if this suppression happens from the state government instead of state government, central government, yes, we would have the same response.
In his remarks, Dr. Chandra criticized the use of terms like designer patrakar or designer journalists. He says such labels undermine the profession. Dr. Chandra acknowledged the media's role in perpetuating its own challenges. He noted that we are responsible for lowering media freedom. Dr. Chandra emphasized his twofold responsibilities, one as an individual with personal beliefs and affiliations, and the other as a publisher committed to journalistic integrity. Listen to the media baron's comments on this.
Walk the talk. मैं केवल बात नहीं करता हूं, मैं उस पर चलता हूं, वो ही कहता हूं. और ये विषय कुदरती 3 मई को ये वर्ल्ड प्रेस फ्रीडम डे था. उस दिन मैंने वो वीडियो रिलीज़ किया. इट्स अ नॉर्मल इनॉक्यूअस थिंग. आप में से बहुत से लोगों ने उसको देखा, बहुत से लोग शॉक्ड थे, बहुत से लोग कुछ कमेंट कर रहे थे, कोई कुछ कमेंट कर रहे थे. वी रिसीव्ड ऑलमोस्ट 50+ रिक्वेस्ट टू हैव अ फेस-to-face इंटरव्यू. And that's the reason I said we will do it. Why today?
As a long-time supporter of the Bharatiya Janata Party and a former member of the Rashtriya Swamsevak Sangh, he advocates for the nation-first ideology. Yet, he also recognizes his duty to the public as a media proprietor.
Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
For all the latest news, download the WION app and subscribe to our YouTube channel.